Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you what does scaling mean in dropshipping. So basically, scaling means in dropshipping is to increase the size and your scope of operations and to accommodate customers and sales in your store. So by actually overarching your goal, so you should be able to scale your business into something much larger by overextending your network to other people. So we'll just say you have a donut shop in town and you want to expand that to the next town, you will have a next shop in town. So to do this using Shopify right here, we have this Shopify app. So here we have your Optimum, it pops up. It's a pop-up that you'll love. So as you can see here, you can use this to your advantage so that you'll be able to scale your business much easier. All you have to do is press install with your Shopify. So it's in the Shopify App Store. You can download it. It's called Optimal. It's pop-ups you love. So here, all you have to do is install it in your Shopify store and then you'll have to set it up. So of course, there's going to be a fee. Not everything is free here in Shopify. So all you have to do is create a new Optimum account right here, enter the details that is needed from Optimum so that you'll be able to. So your store, your name, your address, and you'll be able to start. So there you go guys, that is the meaning of how you scale your business or what scaling your business is in dropshipping. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.